We live in a world of organizations. What do we really understand about them? We're born in hospitals. We're born in organizations called hospitals. We're buried by organizations called funeral homes. And in between, we're educated, employed, entertained, and exasperated by organizations. And yet our understanding is so limited. Often, many articles give the impression of one size fits all. The latest technique is good for every single organization. That's simply not true. This article is about 4 forms that fit most. In other words, there are 4 fundamental forms of organizations. I call them personal, program, professional, and project. I'll give you an example from restaurants. A personal organization is the corner kind of greasy spoon little place that is owned by one individual and who probably does, or at least orders everything that happens in the place and makes sure everything happens properly. A programmed organization is like McDonald's. Everything is programmed. The amazing thing about McDonald's is that they program us. We the customers are programmed at McDonald's in the sense that we clear our tables. Can you imagine clearing your table in a gourmet restaurant, carrying your plates into the kitchen? A gourmet restaurant is professional. Everybody's a professional. Even the guy who takes your car is a professional. Everybody's kind of skilled and does everything very well. And a project organization would be like catering, a catered meal where everything is done customized. And it's a project. Everything's one-off. So those are 4 basic forms of organizations. And in the article, I discuss how managing is quite different in each of them and how strategy is quite different in each of them. I talk about 4 approaches to strategy, which kind of match these forms, what I call visioning, planning, venturing, and learning. In a project organization, for example, in all organizations really, but especially in project organizations, strategies are learned. They're not planned. So this is what the article is about. And all of this that I talk about in the article are really tendencies rather than truths. There are no truths. There are tendencies. Nothing is perfectly true. No organization can be a perfect program machine. They drive everybody crazy. Or a perfect professional organization. The operation was a success even though the patient died. But many organizations come rather close. And that's what's interesting. And ones that don't can be understood as hybrids of the form. So a symphony orchestra, for example, the conductor is much more influential than in most professional organizations. The symphony orchestra has much more power over the musicians than a hospital chief or a university dean has over the physicians or the professors. So we have hybrids and we have different forms of organizations. I just want to close by saying that every organization is really unique in the sense that every organization is made up of us and we're unique. Therefore, the organization has to be unique, even if it's only catering to our particular needs and our particular quirks. So I close the article by saying that it's not design thinking we need, it's design doing. We've got to structure our organizations as we go along and give the people who are influenced by them more chance to affect their structure. Thank you.